What's up, everybody? This your boy KC with another cruise drinks mix. You know how it is. This is, you know what I'm saying, Friday fun day, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do some flashback Friday for the cruises, you know, for those that like they strawberry daiquiris. So we're about to do a strawberry daiquiri, you know what I'm saying? And once again, we doing the BACARDI Rum, you know what I'm saying? So I got a little mixture again, you know what I'm saying? The BACARDI daiquiri that they have is called Rum Runner. So if y'all wondering, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well, I don't see it. It's called Rum Runner, you know, for the strawberry daiquiri. So, you know, it's pretty good. Let's get into it. So all you need is rum. You need the Rum Runner, the mixer, a glass, and some ice. So you need about 4 to 5 cups of ice. You know what I'm saying? You can have a little shot glass, but I'm going to show you what they did. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, how you mix everything in with the liquor. And also, too, if y'all not, you know what I'm saying, drinkers out there, alcohol drinkers, and you just want to have a daiquiri, virgin daiquiri, don't add that liquor in there. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you can have some fun with us, too, if you're not a drinker. You know what I'm saying? You can have yours, you know, simple, you're a virgin, while we, you know, hooking up our daiquiri. So, let's get into it. So, all right, we're going to put the ice in first. Let's get the ice in. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, get a good blender. You know what I'm saying? Don't get no crappy blender. You know, this right here, this Ninja, is off the hook. This bad boy got 3 blades. So, you know, we will have all the description below on how you can get these items. But don't forget to have your, you know what I'm saying, measure cup, your blender, a glass, and your BACARDI, and your mix. So let's get to it. So, all right, real simple. Y'all know how I do it. Just pop the top, baby, pop the top. See that? Hear that? Sound beautiful already. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. You want to see? Smell the vision. All you got to do, look, simple. Look at that. It's already sweet and good. Look at it. Look, we got to shake it out, shake it out. Look, look. We got to have all the juice in there so it can taste sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, now, let's get to the drink. For like I said, for those that don't drink, you know what I'm saying? You know, more power to you. You know, but for those that do drink, a half a cup. So half of this, you know what I'm saying? Half of it in there of the BACARDI. Half of it. Switch it around. Make sure you don't miss nothing. Switch it. Switch it. Look at that. Yep. You don't have a whole lot. You can do a lot, and you can do a little. You heard me say lotto. You know what I'm saying? And pour it on in there. Woo! I can smell it right now. Smell it good. For those that want a little bit more sweeter, you can add some grenadine. But I don't want no grenadine. I don't need it right now. But if you want to, it's options. You can also too add fruit in here as well. So you could, you know, you could do the ice, the mixture, and fruit, you know, to kick it up a notch. But right now, we're just keeping it basic. So let's get down to this blended. Great blender. All right, guys, get ready to power it up. You know how we do it. Gonna make some noise. All right, let's see what goes down. Get that glass. Now, if you want to splash a little grenadine in there, you can, but that's okay. You don't need to. So, all right, guys. Let's see. You see what it look like. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to look smooth. It's supposed to be crunchy. You know what I'm saying? If you got crunchy, put that bad boy back. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be smooth like butter. Come on. Here we go. Exactly. Just look. Man, look like I'm on a cruise right now, getting ready for my daiquiri. Are you kidding me? Woo! Man, if y'all can smell what's going down right now. Just telling you. Y'all ain't knowing. What it's saying? A sexy and I know it. Wiggle. No, just kidding. You know, look pretty good, look pretty good. I'm going in. Ooh, dang. That was good. Had to give it a kiss. That bad boy tasting right. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Whipped. You can see this? You see it? It's whipped well. You don't see no crunchy ices. You don't see nothing clear. You see straight up. Looking good. Guys, y'all better get out to them stoves. And if not, you can order it straight from Bacardi. Have it sent in the mail. There you go. But I had a description where you can get it from in the description below. So definitely order you some. You're going to have some fun. This your boy KC. You know what I'm saying? With another cruise drink review. You know what I'm saying? And this bad boy is off the hook. You know what I'm saying? Sorry to leave you. This your boy KC. And we always on vacay mode. And we gonna give you the best cruise drinks. See you on vacay mode.